Welcome back to Databull YouTube channel. You've heard the name Ethereum, but what does it actually do? Why it's worth billions? If you're still confused, this one's for you. Ethereum is software that runs on thousands of computers around the world, not just one. Think of Ethereum as a big computer program that is one shared across many computers called nodes, number 2 always running, and always talking to each other. So, instead of one company or one server owning the program like Google owns Gmail, Ethereum is run by everyone and controlled by no one. Now, you might be wondering, who writes this program? Let me answer. Ethereum is open source. Ethereum is built and improved by a global community of developers, which means anyone can suggest changes. They work together, propose changes, and the whole network decides whether to accept them. It's software that belongs to everyone. And no one person or company controls it, not even its creator, Vitalik Buterin. Ethereum is a blockchain platform. It's software that lets people do things openly, safely, and fairly, without needing to trust a single company. A decentralized virtual computer, it runs on thousands of distributed computers. This makes it hard to hack, shut down, or control. A platform for smart contracts. These are tiny programs stored on the blockchain that automatically follow instructions written in code. For example, think of a smart contract like a vending machine. You put in money, say $1. Vending machine automatically checks the money, and if it's correct, gives you the snack you selected. No need for a cashier or middleman. It just follows the instructions perfectly every time. Similarly, smart contracts automate agreements and actions without needing a person or company to control them. Every program that runs on Ethereum comes with a cost. This is where Ether, ETH, and gas come in. Ether, ETH is the digital money used inside Ethereum. When you want to do something on Ethereum, like send money, run an app, or use a smart contract, you have to pay a small fee called gas. ETH measures how much work the computers need to do to run your transaction or contract. Pay gas fees in ETH to the computers, nodes that keep Ethereum running. Let's relate to the vending machine example. You want a snack, so you put coins into the machine. ETH machine uses that money to give you the snack and cover its operating costs. In Ethereum, Ether ETH is like the coins, and gas is like the cost to make the machine work and deliver your snack. Without paying gas, your snack transaction or smart contract won't run. Ethereum is like the internet's next big upgrade, where apps run themselves, money moves without banks, and no one's in charge. And this is just the beginning. If this video helped you finally understand Ethereum in a simple way, go ahead and subscribe to your Databull YouTube channel, and tap the bell icon. I've got more tech videos just like this to make complex topics super easy to get.